Knowledge 6.5 Elements versus compounds. Elements and compounds are pure substances, but they are different from each other in the many aspects. Major differences have been given in Table 6.1. Table 6.1 Difference between elements and compounds. No. Element compound. One element is made up of only one type of atoms. Compound is made up of two or more atoms or molecules. 2. Element cannot be split into simpler substances by chemical reactions. Compound can be separated into simpler substances by chemical reactions. 3. 118 different types of elements are known. The list of compounds is endless. 4. An element is represented by its symbol, e.g., iron, copper, etc. A compound is represented by a formula, e.g., water, sodium chloride. V. Use of compounds and elements. Elements and compounds are an integral part of our surroundings. Their most important uses are given below. Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is commonly known as soda ash. This is made up of sodium, carbon, and oxygen. It is a very good domestic cleansing agent and is widely used in the manufacturing of soap, paper, and glass. Calcium carbonate in washing liquid. 2. Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is the most common compound. It is used as a food supplement and to preserve meat. 3. Sugar. Sugar sweetens our lives. It is also a compound. It is made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Sugar crystals. 4. Water. Water is a combination of hydrogen and oxygen. It is one of the most important substances to maintain life on Earth. Aluminum tray, AV, aluminum. Aluminum is a metal. Therefore, being a good conductor of heat, it is widely used in making cans, foils, kitchen utensils, window frames, coins, etc. 6. Hydrogen. It is used as rocket fuel. 7. Carbon. Physical properties of carbon vary with its different forms, and so its uses. It is the most essential element for life along with oxygen. It is the prime constituent of living cells. It is part of carbon dioxide gas. Carbon is the major source of heat energy and fuel in the form of CH4. 8. Nitrogen. Nitrogen is also a non-metal. Nitrogen is a primary figure in DNA and proteins. Plants use nitrogen for their growth. So, it is a major constituent of fertilizers. It is an important anesthetic agent as well. It is non-explosive in nature and hence, is used to store liquid explosives. Skill 6.6 Explore the common elements and compounds in our daily life. Objective to develop a comprehensive understanding of common elements and compounds found in everyday life, recognize their characteristics, and relate their practical applications to foster scientific awareness and critical thinking. Instructions: scan the given QR code to access the worksheet named as Unveiling Elements and Compounds. Skills 6.7 to 6.9 Make predictions of likely outcomes for a scientific inquiry. Interpret results using scientific knowledge and understanding. Draw a conclusion from their findings. Objective: to predict likely outcomes for scientific inquiry and draw conclusions about their findings.